bloody mountains. Excellent.
Just look at it! We finally made it after 2 days of hurting butts.
Right, the original game plan was to leave at 8:30. I think it's 8:45. Doing alright, we were late. Big pro tip is to get everything packed before Kat sees it, because then she makes you do it all properly. So what if a couple of things get squished? Fucking snitch. Got me stickers now, look. Never forget. Right, ever so quickly, because we haven't had a chance to connect, because we had nothing but motorway days, and to be honest, today's going to be just about as long a ride as well. It is day 3 today. We're currently in Germany and we're heading towards the Dolomites. We've just hit a mountainous region. Then we're going to go to Slovenia and we're going to go all the way around. So basically for the past year, as you may know, last year we went to the Arctic Circle on the Road King. We had a good time, we made lots of memories. I've been spending this entire time for the past year, embarrassingly, editing all that footage. And I've still not finished the series. So this tour basically completely landed on Nathan. We kind of all met up and had discussions about it, but Nathan's done all the planning, all the route planning. When we went to the Alps a few years ago, people moaned at me because I was in charge of those routes, and people said they were too long, too many miles, too many hours in the saddle. But somehow Nathan's got away with it. So this is our first real long day. Today is 240 miles on the road, which works out to about 7 hours in the saddle, and we've got a few places to stop off and see. So it's going to be a really long day, and people's bums are going to hurt. How are you feeling, team?
Good. Ready for the mountains, mate.
Ready for the mountains?
For another long day.
Love a long day.
I'm so excited.
Road snacks? Pocket sweets? It's supposed to be dry and sunny today. We might, for the first time ever, need these. Ooh. Right, ready, team? Have you changed your boots?
Yeah.
Are you actually going to plan on hiking up these hills?
Hiking boots.
Hiking boots? How long are we going to be here for? Agate. Even for hills? Let's go see a gorge. You see, it's great coming with Nathan on tour. He sorts everything out. He makes you walk kilometres. Nathan, I'm going to bloody shoot you. Seen it? Not used to it being sunny. That's it. Putting them on. Ooh. Right, at the end of this, it's supposed to be a viewpoint. Might get my drone up. I'm a bit nervous about it because there's absolutely no way Cat can rescue it from down there. Right, I've bottled getting the drone up. I don't trust it. So I think we're heading back.
Yep.
And apparently it's just one big route from here. So there'll be some more scenic routes along the way. And I'll get the drone up then, because you deserve some drone footage. We tried last night, didn't really work, but you deserve some. We'll get you some. We will, won't we? Show me finger. into the gorge. It is about 12:30 and we still have about 6 hours left of riding to do. I'm very warm. Okay, so Nathan thinks the route we're about to do for the rest of the day is the Deutsche Alpenstraße, which basically translates to German Alpine Pass. Yeah, looking forward to it. We've got so many miles to do. Well, not really many miles, it's just going to take us so long. The cat's broken her finger and she's doing wonders holding the GoPro to the side. But unfortunately, she's now flipping off every piece of oncoming traffic that there is. She's a sweetheart, isn't she? She's a sweetheart. Right, we're waiting for a calf. There's supposed to be a calf that has some scenic views. Quick pull over to see where the hell it is. We have done almost 150 miles. I think we've been on the road now for about 3 hours. So we've got about another 3 left to do. What are you saying?
Nothing.
Give us your big, mean, angry biker face. Fucking hell. What? I asked you 3 times about those routes and I've told you I put them straight on. Was it that big huge lake we passed?
Huh?
Was it that big huge lake that we passed? Was it in there? With all the boats, you know, that massive lake that we spent about an hour going around. All that 30-mile-an-hour traffic.
Might have been the lake. Yeah, might have been that lake, to be fair.
Surrounded by mountains. So we've missed it. We've missed the calf.
How long have you got left on the trip? Like to get to our end destination?
3.5 hours.
3.5 hours?
We're only halfway. We're only just over halfway. We've got about 115 miles left.
Long day.
Everyone agreed it. You all agreed it. You all agreed it. Looks like we fucked it. We're going to try and go for like another hour and find somewhere else to eat. And we're going to turn up quite late to the hotel. And the restaurant probably will be closed. So let's see what tomorrow's route's like. Because everyone's stressing out. They all agreed the routes. They all agreed the routes. And now it's all too much. Yeah.
Tucking away to yourself. Tomorrow's another like 6-hour day, 212 miles. Ooh. How you holding up, team leader Nevin?
I said it's a long day. It's a long day. It's the longest day.
Do you know what tomorrow is?
It's just
About another 212 miles, 6.5 hours.
6.5 hours. Oh, it's gone up, isn't it? That's 6.5 hours.
Maybe 6. Why do you have to ruin my life? Everything about you. I feel like you've been made purposely sent down here to get on my last nerve. You've been. I feel like you've been designed to annoy me.
Strangely enough, this isn't the first time I've had this.
1 hour in, we're going to see how we feel. We should be doing a scenic route as well and not miss any lakes. Right, do you know? Cat is driving me up the fucking wall at the moment. She is driving me up the wall. She's been very picky with her sweets and she's driving me up the wall. Do any of you want her? She's pretty good at packing, but other than that. Right, let's go. So we found the cafe we were supposed to go to. Nath, we got here safe and sound.
Yep.
You found it in the end.
Yep.
Want to give us a sit rep?
It's closed on a Friday.
What day is it today?
Friday. Honestly.
It's hard organising things, isn't it?
It closes on a Friday.
We didn't have this problem in Norway, did we? Everything was shut.
Look, 10 AM to 8 PM every single day. What?
Oh, can I be here when you tell Chewy? Chewy's on his way back. He's just been to the restaurant.
It's what?
Closed.
This is the first time I'm hearing this. Oh.
Where's your bike key? It's gonna go swimming.
Confident about the rest of the trip?
I don't know anymore.
Before coming on this trip, I was worried there wasn't going to be like enough of a challenge. Like it was going to be quite too simple. But now it turns out the challenge is just trying to find somewhere to eat. Getting warm, she's getting quite uncomfortable, she's getting a bit moody. Bit moody.
Moody?
Now it feels like a vlog. Oh, and our box, Nathan's bike's reading 32 degrees. Not used to it. I feel like I'm finally getting the hang of my bike. It's only been a year and a half. But like these roads, I feel like I'm getting a bit better in the cornering and the selecting the right gears, lane positioning. I know it's stupid, I should have had this now years ago. Just saying about today, maybe everything's perfect. Maybe it's because it's 35 mile an hour speed limit, so I'm just like, no, it's been a good day so far, but it could all go horribly wrong still. I hope not. I had a good day.
That way.
We're lost. It is.
Yeah.
So
I don't know why it's doing that, but yeah, no, it is down that way, so we carry on going that way, and it's just going to the right there.
another hour on the road in total. Still got a nice route on the way, lovely. Got to pay a toll to ride the road, and it is on the steepest fucking hill. Look at this. Some might say that was a bit of a long day. Hey Nath, how's it going? Almost 12 hours on the bike today. Hello. We've got separate rooms. We've all got individual rooms.
Why have we all got individual rooms?
Because Nathan booked it. He knew I'd need a break from you for today because you had a long day. Right, here's the room. It's a massive room. About to run out of battery. Supposed to have 4 separate rooms, a room each. The cat won't allow it, so I'm furious. I'll keep this short because I've got 1% battery left. And it's been ag. We've been on the road for 12 hours today. We got here, it was dark, it took us ages. We then had to find food. Chewy was broke, he didn't want food, so me, Nathan, cat went into the next town. We got lucky, managed to find somewhere to eat. What is it, 10 o'clock now? It's 10 o'clock at night. I've got to upload all the footage, get showered because I stink. And tomorrow we've got another 6-hour day, so... Yeah, sorry, this has all been a bit of a mad rush. You can blame Nathan. You can blame Nathan because he organised it, not me. I'm not team leader. If you got this far, thank you for watching. Think about subscribing. We'll catch you tomorrow. Shave your balls, not your face.
On my mind into my sea.